Importance of educational psychology. If you understand the students' interests and needs, you can make your teaching according to their needs. They will be interested in learning and consider you as a good teacher. How do you understand the attitudes, interests, and needs and aptitudes of the students? Psychology helps you to understand the mental activities, experiences, and behavior of human beings. Psychology deals with not only the behavior of the conscious level, it also deals with the experiences of subconscious and unconscious levels of human mind. Behavior in psychology. Behavior in psychology includes the physical activities and mental activities such as thinking, imagining that could be indirectly observed, and emotions such as anger, joy. Behavior in psychology is explained in terms of stimulus and response. The psychologists feel that the changes in the development are not uniform at all ages. The growth and development is studied in biological, psychoanalytical, and cognitive implications.